So why can you not adjust your volume on your iPhone? Let's get into it. First of all, the first thing that comes up to me is that you have the so-called change with buttons turned on. So if you open up the settings, you can find that in the sounds and haptics section, there is a volume slider at the top, and below it is in a toggle called change with buttons. And if you have it turned on, it means that whenever you are back at your home screen and use the physical volume buttons on the side of the phone to tweak the volume, you are not tweaking the volume of the content or the music, videos, whatever, but instead you are tweaking the ringer volume. And the ringer volume is a different thing because this applies to ringtones, incoming phone calls, notifications, and alarms. So this is a separate volume from the one in the control center where you just adjust it for your media, for music, videos, podcasts, or anything else. So these are like two separate worlds, and if you have the change with buttons, then it just makes it impossible to change the actual volume with your volume buttons. But this, of course, doesn't have to be the only reason for it. Besides that, you have some different things going on, like your device might be connected to a Bluetooth speaker without you realizing, and you just notice that you cannot play any audio through your iPhone. So this has happened to me a few times. Then it might easily just be a glitch in the software, which requires a reset or restart of the iPhone, and updating to the latest iOS can never hurt because it can always just fix some minor issues in the software. So try or think about doing that if you wish. So these are the things which I would like to do if I notice that it just doesn't work. Of course, let's not forget that the physical buttons on the side of the iPhone may not be functional. So, there might be a hardware issue as well. So if you want more information or assistance, just leave a comment below. Perhaps if it's a common issue, I might make an updated video about that. But yeah, go ahead and leave that below in the comments. Hopefully these things have helped you in your problem. If they did, or if you found the video informative, hit the thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe so you never miss future videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.